Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most talked about innovations in sustainable travel this year, the 2025 Big Electric Tricycle Camper. Whether you're a solo adventurer, a digital nomad, or just someone who dreams of hitting the open road with minimal environmental impact, this electric trike camper might just be the perfect companion. So, let's dive in. At first glance, the 2025 model continues the company's signature minimalist aesthetic, but with a noticeably more refined and aerodynamic design. The frame is crafted from lightweight aluminum alloy, improving both strength and efficiency. Now, onto the camper unit itself, the real star of the show. Despite its compact footprint, the interior is surprisingly spacious thanks to smart modular design. You've got a convertible sleeping area that turns into a seating nook, a compact kitchenette with a single-burner induction stove, a sink with a filtered water tank, and even a fold-out workstation. Let's talk power. The tricycle is powered by a 200-watt hub motor with a peak output of 2,000 watts, delivering solid torque and a top speed of around 28 miles per hour. It comes with dual lithium-ion battery packs, offering a combined range of approximately 75 to 90 miles per charge, depending on terrain and load. Of course, it's not perfect. At around $9,000 to $11,000, it's a significant investment. While that price is reasonable when you compare it to motorized RVs or even high-end e-bikes, it's still a barrier for many. And though the range is impressive for a vehicle this size, it's not ideal for long hauls unless you plan your charging stops carefully or stick to sunny routes with solar gain. As for sustainability, this camper is made with over 60% recyclable materials, and the entire production line is now powered by renewable energy. It's not just a ride, it's a statement of intent for cleaner travel and conscious living. In conclusion, the 2025 Big Electric Tricycle Camper is a well-engineered, thoughtfully designed mobile living solution for the eco-conscious traveler. It's compact, quiet, and capable. A perfect blend of function, freedom, and sustainability. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you travel with one of these? Is this the future of micro-camping? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the trail.